have eyes on the vehicle.
All right, copy.
Jy staan in die pad, hy kom nou in die byrigting.
Get up! Let's see your hands on the floor! Get down! On the floor!
Started.
On the floor! Alright, ons reg. Alright, guys, we are with the anti-hijacking unit. We believe this vehicle was used in crime. Do you understand? Who's the driver? Hey!
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Alright, understand me. Alright. We are with the anti-hijacking unit. We have a case number for this. Huh? Dus ons moet hom, is daar iemand in by hom? Okay, shoot gou. Yes, gaan kyk gou.
Stay down, don't move. Pop your finger around in front of you. Yeah. Right.
Alright, ek gaan gou kyk. Daar's geen eienaarskap op die Like, how you guys doing? Do me a favor. Don't do that. Thank you. Ja.
Hy is net gelyk gewees.
Ja.
Ek gaan gou skrap toe ry. Reg.
Okay. Huh?
Come up.
No, these guys are involved in smuggling.
Oh, it's good. They are many. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they've just gone to see where the crime scene is.
Where's the crime scene?
Just down here.
In which one?
There. Yeah, there. There where that white bucky is going in.
Oh, they went there by Morgan.
They by the scrap metal dealer. Yes.
Or they went in there.
Yes.
They took something.
They took something there. Jy kyk. Sien kyk.
Rowan hulle is op pad, hulle het.
Okay. Hey, uit die pad uit. Laat jy gaan. Move it. Yeah, let's go. Jy het my gesoek. Ons kan nie. Hier is nou iemand wat beseer is in die pad. So nou is hierdie sien net hier. Wat sê Pella? Lekker, dankie. Gideon, ek is hier in Whitfield, né? Op die Hoofstraat. Ons het inligting gekry met ouens van Waterval bovenaf op daai ouens wat die koper infrastruktuur vernietig. Ons het die ouens nou gearresteer hierso op die Hoofstraat. Koper. Wat jy voorstel? Sal jy dalk vir my kan reël asseblief? Ek stuur gou vir jou pin location.
Het ons tyd?
Nee, tyd om toe te maak.
Sê weer?
Tyd om te maak.
Ja wel, ek meen hulle het al die sake, hulle is die ouens wat die ondersoeke doen. En hier is ons 'n klomp kontant wat ons in die kar gekry het. Ja, ek weet nie wat hulle gaan doen nie. Dis hoekom ek vir jou bel, want dis nou jou polisiewyk. Ja, dit kan moontlik van ander ouens soos dat infrastruktuur vernietiging ondersoeke doen ook. Maar soos ek sê, is daar agterop?
Ja.
Okay, ons het van die koop, ons het koper ook agterop. Gaan jy vir my kan reël vir van die ouens van die stasie om 'n draai te kom maak asseblief? Sê weer?
Kort ons accept real.
Dankie baie, ek waardeer. Dankie baie.
Kort ons sipes.
Hy is op pad.
Soos meneer.
Ek het nou vir Gideon O'Neill gevra.
Okay. Ja, die kan ek dan. Weet jy? Kom hier op kry, wat sê jy?
Bella, luister nou vir my. Ek soek jou op die pavement. Okay, I don't need you in the road. I don't need you to get hurt. Please. Luister vir my. You're gonna cause an accident.
Hy luister nie toe.
Ja, hy gaan nou. Daar gaan hy. Okay, the medics are on the way for this guy. They'll be here shortly. All right. These guys, they break the infrastructure. What they do is they saw all the things off and then they take the copper.
Okay.
Then they steal the copper. But they came from Waterval Boven. All right. But I just want you to understand who these guys are. They're the ones who allow us to have load shedding.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Because they break the cables. They steal the cables.
Steal the cable, they find it.
Yes. Then they come from there. They come and sell it to people here. All right. So these are not good guys. We are sorry he got hurt. All right. We are sorry he got hurt. Huh? No, we checked the car. The car's not stolen.
Oh.
All right. So in other words, these aren't bad guys.
Okay.
They're freaking horrible people.
They stole the big cable.
Lots of it. Then they sell it to the people here by the scrap dealer. All right. So they're not innocent. But they got hurt in the unfortunate situation.
But you guys are doing a very good job because, I mean, it affects all of us.
Yes, it does. Jock.
Thank you, my good man.
Okay. Laat that. Okay, laat hulle dan, Jackie, laat hy deur gaan. Ons het nie tyd nie. Okay. All right, you understand? That's why I like to explain so people understand more what we do. All right, because now you're young, you're thinking, wat doen die klomp boere hier, né? All right. All right, so what I'm saying, in other words, I want you to understand what we're doing and why we're doing what we're doing. All right. Now they the paramedics. So we got the paramedics, the high care paramedics, to come and check. Huh? Dankie. Mr. Driver, you're the driver, am I right? Right. You will probably be detained. There are case numbers for you guys for possession of destruction of infrastructure, copper theft and stuff like that. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand English? Do you understand English, sir? All right, you understand it properly. So you know what I'm saying. Do you know what I'm saying?
But you said you will hijack the car.
No, nobody said you hijacked the car. I said I'm from the anti-hijacking unit. I didn't say you hijacked the car. All right. On the back of the car, we see there are still some of the copper that you guys offloaded, yeah.
No, but that one, it was a cable first up to the building my place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you bring that cable? Yeah. What did you do with that cable? Did you drop it off? Did you have too much cable?
No, like I'm rebuilding my house.
Okay.
Yeah.
With that amount of copper, with that kind of copper. That doesn't make sense, young.
We can even go there.
Where? No, yeah. What? There where you came out now. Where you came out from now. Huh? But no, not water. I don't know where Watervalboven is at. I'm not worried about Watervalboven. I'm talking about where you came from now.
Yeah.
All the stolen copper, you sold it to those people there.
No, I don't know about it. But
That is fine. You don't have to say anything.
Yeah, we can go there. The kilos here,
They pay a lot of money, for the copper.
Yes.
That's why you bring it from there to there. So did you come from Watervalboven?
Yeah, and I can even show you where, like, okay, beside Watervalboven, there's another place there, and then like it's closed down, like it's sort of a farm. You see, like there's a concrete. There's a concrete there. We also took concrete there, and then like we also take copper there. Like we dig it like underground.
You dig it underground, then you take it out.
Yeah.
Okay, so you take the copper under the ground, and then you come and sell it,
Yeah, because the kilos like they are too high, and then that's why we're also taking this concrete there. Like they're giving this thing to the community.
Okay, so they gave it to the community and they gave you permission to take it. Who gave you permission to take the copper?
We can go there like an ass.
No. Somebody must have given you permission, Because you can't just go and take it if it doesn't belong to you. So wait, listen to me. What is your first name?
My first name is Tolani.
Tolani. Now tell me, Tolani, the person that gave you permission to dig the hole and remove the cable, who's that person?
Okay.
Do you have permission, you yourself?
Okay.
No, wait, it's not a difficult question, my friend.
It's not a difficult question.
All right, so wait now, just give me a chance. Did somebody give you, Tolani, permission to dig the cable out and to come and sell it here?
Okay, fine.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Okay, fine. Let me elaborate. Okay. Then I've heard people that they are saying.
You've heard it.
Yeah.
But nobody gave you permission specifically. Yes
saying,
or no?
No, they are saying like they
My dear friend, just one easy question. Did they give you permission? Does Kolani have permission from somebody?
Not me.
That's what I'm saying.
Specifically me.
That's what I'm asking. Who does that place belong to?
They said, okay, I don't know who this belongs to who. But okay, fine. People are saying no, this thing must go back to the community.
Okay,
so
but so you don't know who it belongs to. So it is private property. So maybe it belongs to somebody else. And then you went there and you took the stuff from somebody that didn't give you permission. No. Then it will also be theft. Because if it doesn't belong to you, anybody, whether it is, doesn't matter, even if I go there.
Even if you can go there, even if you can go there and go to the municipality.
Yeah.
they don't have, even the police that side, they don't have a problem with that. Because
I understand. Okay.
And then we took that, we took that copper to bring it here just because we heard that, okay, fine, the percentage is high here.
Yeah.
Not to say,
Why specifically this place?
I don't know.
No, somebody must have. You remember, my brother. One thing, you are in charge of this car, ne? Am I right?
Yes.
You are the driver of this car.
Yes.
Only you, not Mr. Jack and Daniels and Johnny Walker. Only Tolani.
Yes.
Am I right, ne?
Yes.
Okay, so Tolani. Somebody must have told Tolani, come to this place because the price is high.
Yes.
Who told you that?
A lot of people that side.
Lot of people.
Yes.
No, but a lot of people must have a name.
And they-
My name is Anthony, ne? So,
it's the first time to come here.
okay.
Yes.
So somebody there told you must come here.
Because we even passed the feedback because the percentage is very low.
Okay.
Yes.
Ja, ons het hulle om in kars. Look.